Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's me. So today I'll be opening this German Excel card pack. Here it is, and I'll just show you the odds over here. Hopefully focus. There we go. And we just go right into this pack. Oh gosh, my hand is sweaty from the chips I've been eating. Ah, come on, open. Okay, here we go. Open it. Finally. So these. So here's success ings, and it's a golden baller. I can't believe it, golden baller. I actually can't believe it. It's a golden baller. I can't believe it's a golden baller. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Here's S. Merbigovich, Charlie Taylor, and James Tompkins. I so can't believe it's a golden ball. And it's golden ball of Van Dyke. Here we go. And guys, hope you enjoyed this video of this golden ball of pack opening. Guys, thanks for watching.